Fellow Ugandans and friends of Uganda all over the world, my name is Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert, also known as Bobi Wine, and today is the 24th of January 2026. It's exactly 8 days since I escaped from my own house following a raid that was carried out by the military and police at my home on the orders of Muhoozi Kainerugaba, Museveni's son, and the Chief of Defense Forces. We had gotten earlier intelligence from our friends within the army that he had issued orders to his men to come and harm me. So when we saw them jumping over our fence on the night of 16th January, I somehow escaped from my home and left. That night they didn't enter into our house, they stopped in the compound. 3 days ago, they once again jumped into our fence, hurled profanities to my wife, and threatened to break into my house. That was the second time. Now last night was the third time for them to raid us. They came in hundreds, according to my wife. They broke every door in our house, including those that were not locked. They took away all our documents, from academic documents, land title deeds, and all important documents. They took every gadget, phones, chargers, they took our internet system, they even took all the laptops, including children's school laptops. They also took away our CCTV camera system and destroyed anything that they could destroy, broke glass and cut even our chairs. They put my wife on gunpoint, demanding that she shows them where I was. They even forced her to remove the passwords from her phone and our laptops, but she refused. Well, these and many things that Museveni's regime is doing through his son and his other people are not signs of strength. These are signs of weakness. If Museveni claims that he won the election, why is he panicking? Why is he doing all manner of terrible things? Why is he harassing people? Why is he harassing me and my family? Those are signs of shame. Those are signs of illegitimacy. Now, my message to you, fellow Ugandans, I am not in my home because I still want to be able to speak to you like I'm doing. I'm not in my home because my life is threatened. I take this opportunity, first of all, to thank the international community for the voices that they've raised, but to also encourage them to keep an eye on Uganda, especially at this critical time. To you, fellow Ugandans, this is our country. All this is being done to intimidate us. They've abducted two of my deputy presidents, Lina Zedriga and Jole Tukamshaba. We don't know where they are. They've arrested Mwanga Chivumi, my deputy president in charge of Buganda region, and many other comrades, to sow fear in us. I encourage you to be strong, to be smart, to be creative. These people are not as strong as they purport, and indeed they are not as smart as they are. They failed to find me for 8 days. I also tell you that we must never give up. Uganda is our country and we must fight and liberate it. I will resurface at an appropriate time to forward our struggle. In the meantime, I'm not home because I'm trying to keep safe, I'm trying to keep alive, and I want to keep communicating to you. We shall overcome, we shall be free. People power, our power. Today is the 25th of January 20, and I'm in our home in Gomba. Just came to say hello to my living mother, my sister, and to say hello to Mama in heaven and Papa and all my family members, and to also get some love from home. Yeah, another day of hiding, another day of injustice. As you all know, the police has always come out to give a statement on anything, but since the raid on my house, the first, the second, and the third one where my wife was assaulted, the police has not said anything. As I've always said, that in a country under family rule, the ruling family is always above the law and everybody else a worker, an employee. The police cannot say a thing. The Human Rights Commission, you saw them going to my house to pay my wife a visit, apparently. And then after the raid and the assault on my wife and all the criminality that was done at my house, nothing has happened. Well, that's where we are. As you see, a day before my wife was attacked, the interreligious community was at my house and, you know, spoke to my wife. I'm yet to hear their statement on what happened. But all in all, the task is on us Ugandans to free ourselves. I'm doing what I can do. I'm visiting various leaders across the country. Of course, under scrutiny, under fear, under high risk, but I'm doing what I have to do to reach out to you and charge you and tell you that you can also play your part, either singularly or in a group, but we can change our country, all of us. Thank you, people power, our power. Keep fighting, keep resisting, Uganda will be free.